And in this video, we're going to be talking about the types of offers that are available in the CPA network. In another video, I'm going to show you, if you are a newbie, what sort of offers it is best for you to promote. But this video, we're going to talk about in offers in general. So when you are approved in a network, in any network, you're going to find that there are like thousands of offers to promote. Right now in Max Bounty, there are 1050 offers. I suggest you to be in as many networks you can. If we come to the category section, there is going to be categories, or these are also called verticals. So under this category, this got 18 offer, visa category got 37 offer. So each category has got a number of offers. There are a lot of categories or verticals. You can specialize yourself in one of them or couple of them. I don't recommend more than 3 to start with, because it takes a lot of time to master each vertical. There are different techniques involved. At a time, do not go in 5 or 6 vertical. Stay with one vertical or 2 verticals, and then master these verticals, and then move on to another vertical. Don't jump in from visa vertical and then email submit and then gaming, thinking that you're going to make money over there or over here. Why this is not converting? All the verticals convert and all sort of offers convert, but you have to master specific vertical or specific vertical, maximum 2 or 3. So what offers are there? Let's find out. In general, this is a gaming offer. The user puts their name and they create an account, and you get paid around $2.50, something like that. This is another gaming offer. This is a dating offer. It's got a couple of fields, 1, 2, 3 fields. Your user has to fill up 3 fields, and then bam, you get paid £3.35. This is another offer. It's dating offer. It's got around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields to fill up, and you get a commission of $6 or $7 when your user fills this up. I'm showing you this offer because this is Chinese woman. Maybe a demographic of Chinese men, or maybe a demographic of shy men might be interested in a offer like this. Chinese girls might relate better with shy guys. This is a specific angle you can try out. You also have to remember, all the offers do not convert same on different traffic source. That means this might offer or convert really well on Bing, might not convert really good on Site Scout. An offer like this might convert really good on Bing, might not convert really good on Facebook. So this is what I'm trying to show. There are some offers. These are all trial offers. The good thing about trial offer is the user fills up their details, and they give their credit card detail, and this product, this water, is shipped to the user, and the user is only billed for the shipping. The user doesn't have to pay at the moment of signing up. He or she doesn't have to pay anything for the price of the product. They are just billed for the shipping. In 2 weeks or 4 weeks time, depending upon the offer, the user will be billed. But irrespective, once the user fills up their credit card detail, you are going to be paid 35 or 36 bucks. Depends how much this offer is paying. If the user cancels the subscription, you still get paid your 35 bucks. If the user goes for a 6 months subscription, you still get the 35 bucks. These trial offers are good because the user is only billed for the shipping. They can cancel it later on, but that is not your headache. There are a few super affiliates that make a lot of money only on promoting trial offers. So you might keep some in mind about the trial offers. These are offers that are a pretty little bit complicated offers and needs. This is financial needs. Over here, you're going to get an amount of $100 per lead. So when the user fills up these details and they have another 3 or 4 pages to fill up, and once they fill up, you get $100. But this is something, this financial niche and then auto insurance niche, the offers where the user have to fill up a lot of details. In the beginning, it's better for you not to start with this, because this takes a bit of experience from your part, from the marketer's part, because we have to be patient in promoting this sort of offer, and we have to invest quite a lot of money in terms of promoting this one, and we have to invest quite a lot of money even to test out this campaign. So in the beginning, you can promote the offer that are easy to promote, something with simple sign-ups like this, or this as well, or something like this. It's got 2, 3, 4 fields to fill up for the user, so you don't need a lot of money to promote in order to test the campaign. You can test it for $10, you can test it for $50 to see if the offer is converting. You don't need hundreds and hundreds of dollars, like couple $200-300 to find out. Bing is going to give you some free credit, so I would say find some offer that have 3-4 fields maximum and start promoting them. In all the verticals, you have a lot of offers to promote. You can keep in mind when you are promoting offers, promote offers with 2, 3, 4 fields for your user to sign up. You could go for trial offers. Stay away from financial offers, stay away from insurance offers, stay away from offers that have a lot of fields for your user to be filling, because you need more money to promote them. Do not get into many verticals at the same time, because thinking that the other verticals are going to be making money. Stick with one vertical or 2 verticals and then promote it, master it, and then move on to the next vertical. Maximum 3 verticals. Even 3 verticals is quite a lot of verticals. Now let's talk a little bit about EPC. We are in gaming niche. This is just for example, all countries. Once you go for search, you're going to find out the EPC. This EPC is earning per click. So once we sort out the section with EPC, let's click it once again. So from this offer, each user gets around 38 pence EPC promoting this offer. Now these EPCs are great. You can see that somebody is making money promoting this one. Well, that is well and good. But the EPCs the EPCs are going down. This does not mean that this offer with 2 EPC is not converting. Keep in mind that that there is a lot of traffic going through this one, and not all the traffics are converting. So the general EPC is this one. Now we don't know who is sending this a lot of traffic to this one. It could be some bot traffic that might be bringing this EPC down. So do not take this EPC under serious consideration, because we are not sure where the traffic is coming from. I've seen the EPC from 3 pence gone up to 30 cents in a matter of couple of months. So let not this EPC bother you too much in the beginning. Just focus on the number of fields that your user is signing up for, and do not go into a lot of verticals at the same time. Test a lot of campaigns. You might have a successful campaign after 5 times, 6 times. I remember I was having one successful campaign after 8 times in Bing. So thanks God I was having a lot of Bing accounts and free credit. Anyway, thank you for listening to this video, and we are gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.